This is the case for the Galaxy S24 Ultra by Tongate. Inside the box you will get everything necessary in order to clean the screen and do the installation of the new screen protector that is included inside the box. Inside the box you have two choices to make: if you want the device with a screen protector or if you want the device to be fully protected without the screen protector. Here's the case for the S24 Ultra. On the back you have the protection for the camera. It is a sliding mechanism. For the installation you need to remove this small frame, this plastic frame that is inside the case. After removing that, you need to install that on your Galaxy S24 Ultra, and then you take the small plastic and the S24 Ultra, you put both of them inside the case. Make sure that you do the installation of the small plastic frame starting on the right side of the device, and also the installation inside the case starting on the right side of the case. You can do the installation of the screen protector before you do the installation of the case. For the second type of installation without using the screen protector, you need to use the second plastic frame. Remove the fingerprint sticker and have the installation on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Then you will take the Galaxy S24 Ultra with the plastic frame on it and have it installed on the inside of the case, starting with the right side of the case. The case build quality is excellent and it should protect your device while you have the device secured inside the case.